You're mad, aren't you? Is this because I stopped and changed? Look, I want to look my best, and I've been wearing the same outfit for a year now. Are you mad? You're mad, aren't you?
I'm not mad! I don't understand your outfit! I just don't!
I'm getting the feeling you're upset.
No! No! I'm not upset! I'm not! This country is upset! With absurd prices! $5 for a meal at McDonald's! I need more meat in my diet! I look around and I see just stupid! Quit complaining about religion! No one cares! Oompa Loompas are murdering themselves! Oh, boo-hoo! You're gay, you're lesbian, you're straight! My penis doesn't work!